Hello folks, Ben Strong here, Senior Product Specialist at Mitsubishi Electric. Here's a quick video demonstrating the pump or fan self-cleaning function of Mitsubishi Electric's F800 VFD. The adoption of low-flow toilets and other fixtures has caused a change in wastewater makeup. Today's wastewater has a higher concentration of particulate matter than before. Another change is the widespread adoption of hygienic wipes in the U.S. Often this material does not dissolve and can lead to clogging of wastewater pumps. Mitsubishi Electric's cleaning function can be used to prevent and clear fouling and clogging. This video shows a small pump driven by an F800 VFD pumping material suspended in water. The orange material is analogous to hygienic wipes. The drive detects the abnormal load caused by the pump becoming clogged and initiates the cleaning routine. The pump oscillates back and forth in a configurable profile. You can see the cleaning routine quickly clears the clog. The duration, speed, start direction, and cycle count of the cleaning routine can be adjusted in the F800. The cleaning routine can be triggered by any combination of discrete input at the pump start, time interval, motor current, or load characteristics. For more information, please click on the link to visit our website or contact your local Mitsubishi Electric distributor. Thank you.